Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Under the hood's a inline 2-liter turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one comes with 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. We've got a Sahara beige MB Tex interior, panorama roof. Coming around back here, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fresh set up floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside here. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, a keyless go, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls. It also comes with smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Pedal shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start her up. A rear view backup camera. Radio, heated seats, dual climate control, cup holders. This vehicle has 44,752 miles on it. Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out feldmanimports.com.